Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to the Shannon Cooking Show. Well, I just stepped out of my car. I smell a trash fire and sex. So I was an idiot and let myself run out of food. So it's time to do a little food shopping. Finally, condoms that'll fit. I'm pro-choice, so I'm buying some eggs as well. Time to get some stuff to make a sandwich. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go with these ones. Where's the salami? Onion. Gross. I have a sandwich recipe called the Shannon sandwich. That's on a video I can't show you. Yo, this thing is beautiful. Oh. Never mind.
Usually 79 cents for pasta. That's why I go pasta.
No, come back. I love you. Where is that pesky olive oil? Yo, I used to love this shit as a kid. Holy slop, that's a lot of olive oil. Alright, so I found pretty much everything I could find that was on the shopping list. Everything else on the list I kind of lost hope on, so I'm gonna go pay for this stuff and head home. I think I fell in love with someone while I was checking out all these items, but when I went to go say hi to her, it kind of just came out like... Hey! So, yeah. Good night.